In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch to or enable dark mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I like to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select where it says personalization. And then on the right side, you want to just go down here and select where it says colors. Where it says choose your mode, you can click the drop down and select dark, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.